Alright, real quick story. I just did a whole bunch of work to the car. I pulled the engine, didn't do much work to the engine itself except for a new clutch and flywheel. Drove the car, drove awesome. Went up to the gas station, got gas, came back. When I was driving down the road to the shop, like, all of a sudden my throttle response started getting really shitty. So, pulled into the shop, parked it, and then went inside, came back out, and now it's doing this. So that's all I can get it to do. I've checked my crank sensors, they all ohm out. I've tried a new MAF sensor. Checked, I ohmed out the throttle body. I don't know, kind of just stumped. The only thing I can figure is maybe the gas is messed up, but let me know what y'all thoughts are. Thanks.